Hey guys, what is going on? We got the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mochas on deck today, so let's get right into it. Retail for $170, coming in Dark Mocha, Black, and Sail. These shoes were released on Halloween. If you're lucky enough to get them, they have exclusive access before then, I believe, but I didn't get to hit that. I hit on release day online at JD Sports. Shout out to them. But yeah, let's get right into this because I'm really excited for these. Alright, sorry I'm back. I didn't mean to cut the video. I just had to do an audio test before, and I forgot to do that. So I went right to the video beforehand without doing that, so I had to make sure everything was good. But yeah, we're getting right into these right now. I didn't think it was gonna get here actually because my card declined on release day. So I had to call my bank, get that all settled, and I actually got the shoes luckily, so it's always something. $19.85 Air Jordan. The classic Nike sneakers box, Air Jordan 1. I got a size 12. Normally I'm a size 12 in everything that I get. I also get size 12 with my Yeezys and other shoes. I recently got a 12.5 of my new shoes. They're a pair of Adidas, but yeah, if you're looking for a size in these, go true to size. And here they are. This suede is buttery. A little bit of scuff marks on here at the top. I've had a couple Jordan 1s over the past years, but quality wise, these are, I think, second or third best that I've had. I had the Crimson Tints, I recently sold them. They had that pebble leather on there. These are not bad at all. You can tell this is real leather on here. It's mainly consisting of black and white and a little bit of dark mocha on the back. And once again, this suede is like you can see it move like grandma's couch. Like you can see it like physically. The liner feels a little bit different than what we've been getting recently, but it still feels pretty nice. It comes with shoe trees. It comes with black laces already in there already, so that's pretty nice. I don't think I can compare this to Travis Scott's. Like I don't have them here, but like there's no comparison. I don't think. Like sure you got like the mocha in the back, but like other than that, like not much else to it to be Travis Scott like. Like that's in a league of its own. I think like if I put pink lace in this, I don't think I get the same effect, you know. So I wouldn't call it the poor man's. It's anything. It's like it's its own thing. It stands on its own. It's a great release of itself. But yeah, let's get these. I want to get you a close look on these real quick. The box, and we got an up close look at them. The suede is very high quality. You can see every single stroke you make on them. That's one thing I noticed right away. This comes in the black toe color blocking, minus the ankle collar, where the back of it is the color of choice. Everything else is black and white. And I think this is more of like a sail color than it is a white color. Again, there's black laces that come stock, and they come with an extra pair of sail laces. I thought it was a nice touch because they don't really have to give us spare laces, but it was like really nice that they did. There's a nylon tongue and a nylon sock liner, or I think call that mesh, not really nylon, like a fabric mesh sock liner. Let me know what y'all cop down in the comments down below. But let's get right into this on feet, and then after that, I'm gonna show you some ways that I styled the shoe.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass if she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10,
for sticking with me this long. If you're still here, overall these shoes are very, very good quality, very nice on foot. Going through my closet at first, I was thinking like, what can I wear with these? And then after a while, I was like, this goes to like almost anything in my closet. Like, it's very wearable. It's very easy to just put on anything you want and then go out and start your day. So yeah, overall, I think this is a very well-made and well-looking shoe. If you have a chance to cop it, I definitely cop it. Restock should be coming within the next coming days. Check Soul links, check your Instagram links and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, all that. I have my Instagram and my TikTok in the bio of this video, or not the bio, the description of this video. Yeah, thanks for watching.